Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and our last release was all about Christmas. Well, this release is all about Halloween. I know, I'm really excited. Now, some of the items that I have today to share with you don't even need to be for Halloween. They could be pretty much any time, but focusing mostly on Halloween because, oh my goodness gracious, when you see this Halloween stuff, you're gonna, ready? Okay, the first one I'm going to share with you is a release for the dies. This stamp set has been one of our most popular. This is Spooky to Stamp. This has been one of the most popular Halloween sets we've ever done. Okay, it's never had dies. So I've updated this stamp set a little bit. If you have this stamp set, you do not need to buy it again. If you have this stamp set, you do not need to buy it again. But if you don't have it, now you can get it. And guess what, my friends? There are now dies that match. So now you're getting the cute little ghost. You're getting the cute little shadow for the spider. You're getting the shadow for the spider web. You're getting the little tiny candy corns, the witch hats. Now, those witch hats are perfect on our little peeps, on our critters, a whole bunch of little guys. You're getting a little candy corn, and you know what? You're gonna have so much fun with this one. So if you don't have the Spooky to Stamp, now's your chance to get it in an updated version. Another item we are releasing now, this one is really not too much Halloween, but it is Halloween, but it's not, because it's a monster fold it. Can you believe it? I have been wanting to do a monster fold it for a while now because sometimes my little baby boys are little monsters, let me tell you. Well, now I have the perfect little guy to go with them. Now, yes, it could be for Halloween, but it could also be a little happy birthday card anytime I want, right? It doesn't have to be Halloween if I don't want it to. Also releasing today is a Bat Slimline Fold It. Bat Slimline Fold It. When you see my samples, you are gonna fall out of your chair. Sit down, get ready, okay? Because I'm gonna wow you in just a second. We're also releasing, because yes, we need them, Halloween epoxy dots, because we're doing Halloween. Okay, are you ready? Let's jump in with the spooky so far. Let's just do that one right now. So look at how cool that is. Happy Halloween is included in the stamp set. Look at the fun little witch hats, the cute little spider in the corner. Here's a cute one if you were able to get in on that swiper card on HSN. What, ready? Woo, look at that. Look at that, Happy Halloween. Can you imagine sending this to someone? They would fall over. That is so cool. Now, you could also add our gnome fold it to it and make a whole Halloween scene. You could throw in our spiderweb die, very, very popular by the way, and add a cute little extra goodies and different things on there. So cute. Now here's this one, and I absolutely love. Every time I look at these little ghosts, I laugh. Look at how funny they are. They're just like going, ah, ah, ah. And they're every which way. This reminds me of the Haunted Mansion at Disneyland. I don't even know why, but look, oh, look how cute it is on the inside. Just because it looks like those ghosts are just like floating up. I just absolutely love it. Now here's a cute one. Look how cute. Trick or treat. Adding the little spider webs in the corner, adding a green little spider. Now, you can also mix and match and do a ghost for your monster. Look at how cute this monster guy is. Oh, isn't he scary? Trick or treat. Now, the cool thing about the monster is there's lots of different options here. You're getting different arms, you're getting different eyes, you're getting different mouths. You're gonna get to mix, it's kind of like make a monster because you are going to mix and match any which way you want. Now, he does not have to have the antennas. You could easily snip them off if you wanna make him a little ghost, or you could make her a little girl monster. Look at this one, so adorable. Or, I love this one too, you could do the eyes on the antennas if you want. Look at that. So those hands get to go any which way you want them to. You get to choose. Do you want them to go sideways? Do you want them to go both up? Do you want them to go both down? Do you want them to wave? Here's a cute one. Look how cute this one looks stitched. And look at that. Look at that outline. Isn't that adorable? Die cut both of them together and then you have a little outline to decorate the inside. So simple, so easy. Now, this one is adorable too because she not only has these gorgeous eyelashes, but she's using her arms to hold something. So you get to choose holding something or using there's different hands too. So you could do more hands if you want. Then there's this one, then there's that one with the hands. There's this one with the hands. You get to mix and match your monster to be the way you want. Now, are you ready for some of these bats? Because let me tell you, first of all, look at how gorgeous this is. Look at this. Linda made this and I absolutely love this. Perfect for scrapbooking. I know sometimes scrapbooking kind of gets put off to the side a little bit because we usually do mostly cards. But look at how gorgeous this bat would be on your scrapbook page. Add a little picture right here, trick or treat. Isn't that gorgeous? I absolutely love it. Now, this bat is, I know you're thinking, oh, maybe he's not very versatile, but he is because the mouth and the face, this whole part right here, the eyes and the little fangs here are separate. They're a separate die. You don't have to die cut those if you don't want to. There's also 2 other mouths that you can use to make them sad or happy or whatever you want. So here's a cute one with him looking down. Look at that, boo to you. Look at, there's our little ghosts again, so popular. Look at that, trick or treat, so cute. Now, here's a cute one. Let's not do our bat black, let's do our bat pink because Stephanie loves pink. Happy birthday. And it says, oh, it says, you old bat. Oh, isn't that awesome, old bat. Isn't that cute? Let's see. If I were as old as you, I would have forgotten your birthday. Happy birthday, you're my kind of crazy. Isn't that awesome? Now, what if you don't want to do a happy or a face on your bat? You don't need to. You could just do something like this that says trick or treat. Isn't that cute? Ooh, and die cut it out of white so you can have the inside to decorate. Now, here is an example of the cute little face, right? Boo with our little ghost. Now, you're going to see that ghost everywhere because look, here's another one. These ghosts you're gonna find everywhere now. They are so adorable, but look how different those faces are. Just like that, boom, 2 different faces right there. I love to show you what they look like, so totally different. Here's another one, totally different, but it's the same die. Isn't that amazing? I love when the team just goes totally different and you can see each and every one. Now, I'm going a little fast on these, but don't worry, you can go to our website and see them in the gallery. Here's another one, different eyes using black epoxy dots for the eyes. Here's a cute one with the eyes totally not even, look, totally different. Up at the top instead of in the center. You get to decide where they go. I love it. I love it. Or you can decide that you want your your bat to be looking off to the side. Eek. Isn't that cute? Happy Halloween. Now, here is a cute one. Look at this banner. Whoops. Look at this pocket banner. I love pocket banners. This is so cute. Look at that. Boo. Using our little spider web and our little spider all decorated with our 4-inch alphabet. I know. I love it. Now, here is a cute one. Look at this. This is perfect for your little parties. When you're going to have a little party, you're like, oh, what is that? I don't know. Well, let me open up the ribbon. Let's open up the ribbon. Ready? We're going to open this up. And look at this, you guys. Look at this. It is a little bat holding onto a lollipop. Imagine giving this out to all the kids that come to your house for Halloween. Is that amazing or what? How cute is that? And it says boo. So simple, just die cutting and a little stamp that says boo. But how cute to wrap it up with a little lollipop on the inside. So cute. Now, this one is the one that's gonna knock your socks off. Are you ready? Look at this. Look at this banner. I really want everybody to get into banners more. And this is the perfect example. Spooky, using the pumpkin jack-o'-lanterns for the O's. Look at that. Can you imagine having this in your window when people stop by to go trick-or-treating at your house? Absolutely stunning, am I right? Oh my goodness gracious. Or if you made this for someone so they could decorate their house, fun, fun, fun. Now, club members, of course, you're getting a club discount on all of these products. If you're not in the club, you really need to check out the club because imagine saving 15 to 20% off of everything on our website. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. You can see all of these items up close and personal, and you can join the club if you're not already in the club. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.